Hello, so can you solve such an amazing maths problem? So if you can solve this problem, then comment your answers on the comment section. Otherwise, if you have difficulty solving out, let me give you the trick on solving it out. So let's now start with the solution. So on the solution, this one is what we have. So we have 3 to the power of a multiplied by 3 to the power of a is equals to 90. So the first thing that we need to do, assuming we have a to the power of m multiplied by a to the power of n, so this one can be given as a to the power of m plus n. So similarly, when you have 3 to the power of a multiplied by 3 to the power of a, this one can also be given as 3 to the power of a plus a. That is, now the result shall be 3 to the power of 2 to a. So from there now we shall end up by saying that 3 to the power of 2a is equivalent to 90. So let's now find the value for a. So by finding the value for a in the correct way, we shall now introduce the log from both sides. So from there now we shall now say that we shall now have the log. So the log of 3 to the power of 2a is equals to the log of 90. So here now, when we have something like the log of p to the power of m, this one can also be given as the log, or we can have it as m log p. So here now we shall have it as m the log of p. So from there now, the log of 3 to the power of 2a shall be written as 2a log 3. So here now we shall now have 2a. So 2a the log of 3 is equals to the log of 90. So from there now we shall divide both sides by the log of 3. So that is now shall have now divide by the log of 3. So here now shall also divide by the log of 3. So log 3 and log 3 shall cancel. So now shall remain with 2a. So now we shall write by saying that 2a is equals to the log of 90, then all over the log of 3. So our next step now we shall say that, so here now we shall do with factorization. So shall pick 2a is equals to, when we factorize the log of 90, it can also be written as the log of 3 multiply, or the log of 10 multiply by 9. Then we shall put them into bracket all over our log of 3. So assuming that we have something like the log of ab, that is log a multiplied by b. So this one can also be written as the log of a plus again the log of b. So plus log b. So in this case now our 2a, so 2a is equals to, so now we shall have the log of 10 plus the log of 9, then all over the log, our log of 3. So now we shall divide both sides by the log of 3. So here now we shall say that our 2a, so our 2a is equals to, so the log of 10 all over our log of 3 in this case, plus, so the log of 9 can also be written as the log of 3 to the power of 2 all over, so still we shall divide by the log of 3. So next we shall say that, so next we shall write it again by now having 2a to be equals to, so here now we shall have the log of 10 the way it is all over the log of 3 plus, so the log of 3 to the power of 2 shall be 2 the log of 3, then all over the log of 3. So let's now simplify the ones that are common by now having our 2a to be now is equals to, still we shall have the log of 10 all over our log of 3 plus, so in this case now we shall now have log 3 and log 3 shall cancel. So now we shall remain with 2. So next we shall now say that, assume we have something like the log of a all over the log of b. So this one can also be written as the log of a to the base of b. So in this case now our 2a is equals to, so by using the log of a to the base of b, we can still have it by now having the log of 10 to the base of 3, then plus 2. So next now, for us to remain with a on this other end, we shall have to divide both sides by 2. So in this case now, when you divide this one by 2, then you shall also divide all of this by 2. So 2 by 2 shall cancel, like 2 and 2 shall cancel. So here now shall remain with a. So our value for a is equals to, so in this case here now we shall have a half. So we shall have a half the log of 10 to the base of 3, then plus, in this case 2 and 2 shall cancel, so now plus 1. So finally this one now shall be our value for a. So if you really loved how we've solved and worked out this maths problem, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.